It's 8:16 p.m. on a random Saturday night. A 911 call comes in about someone passed out next to their car, and when police arrive, they find a Ford Explorer parked on the grass and a woman unconscious on the pavement. Turns out it's her 30th birthday. She doesn't know what town she's in, and oh yeah, she works for the county prosecutor's office. From curbside chaos to a confession that changes everything, this night spirals fast. And trust me, the ending makes it even wilder.
Parking here?
No, what's going on?
I should be charging a second-degree TBA yet.
You realize where you are right now?
ACD?
No, you're out laying down on the ground outside of your vehicle.
But outside of acronym, what do you got?
Are you okay?
I'm okay. It's just.
Well, why is your car up on the curb like that? Why are you laying down? Like, are you having any? Do you have any medical problems? Anything like that?
No.
You have nothing like that.
Just need medical in case they come for my son.
Okay. So, why are you laying on the ground? And why is your car half up on the curb?
What time is it?
What time is it? Let me tell you, I want to say it's 8:20.
Oh my god, it's early. I just need my car to get home.
Okay, well, where's home? Where are you going?
Where are we now?
What? Right now you're in Edgewater.
Oh, we're in Newark? Or not Newark.
You're in Edgewater.
Edgewater. Wow, still.
What happened? What's going on?
What brought you out here, like on the ground?
Yikes. My 30th birthday brought me here on the ground. So what do I need to do, officer?
Where were you before this?
That's my home? Oh my god. I was at a bar in Edgewater. So what do I need to get?
Do you have an ID on you?
I should. I'm so sorry.
Whoa.
I'm sorry.
Are you okay?
I just need to get home. I'm sorry, I didn't realize I was this drunk. I just need to get home. We're in Windsor. I live down the street.
They ask the most basic question in the book, do you know where you are? And her answer, she has absolutely no idea. Not the street, not the town, nothing. That's the first red flag. Because when you don't know where you are, it usually means the night went way further than planned.
You have your phone on you.
I'm so sorry.
Muting first strategy.
I just need to get home.
Just gonna let that go.
Hold on, ma'am.
Hold on.
I'm sorry.
Ma'am.
I just want to get home.
All right, can you just hang up the phone real quick?
Hold on.
Yeah.
I gotta hold you because I don't want you falling, okay?
I understand that, but you kind of drove your car up on a curb right now.
Hold on. We don't want you falling.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and listen to me, okay? You kind of told me something just now that's a little alarming, so I have to perform some tests on you, okay?
I can't drive. I just want to get home.
I know that. But you kind of just admitted to me that you were drunk, okay? So I got to perform some tests on you.
Can I please hope my son's sad? I just want to make sure my son is okay.
She becomes visibly upset, repeating the same sentence over and over. I just want to go home. And that's the heartbreaking part because everyone watching knows we're already past that option.
Just gonna try to perform some tests, okay?
I don't want to drive. I just want to go home.
Yeah, but we're a little past that right now, unfortunately, okay?
I'm just gonna...
Can I please tell my son's sad?
When we're done with this, okay? So I got to do some tests on you right now. You can't, listen, we got here, you're laying on the ground sleeping, your car's up on the curb, and you told me
Can
you
I
were
please
drinking.
call him, please?
So I'm going to have to perform some tests on you,
Can I
okay?
please call him? I don't want to drive. I just want to call him.
I understand that, but we're kind of past that by now. Okay? Alright, and I do, now, standing close to you, I smell alcohol on you, okay?
Can I please call him? Can I please call him?
You can call him when we're done with these tests, okay? I'll give you that, okay?
I just want to call him.
All right. Okay, so now
Can I please call him? Please, please, please. Please, can I call him, please?
Ma'am, listen.
Can I please call him, please?
Ma'am, give me 1 second. Who is he with right now?
He's with my son. I just want to make
Who's
sure
with
my
your
son
son?
is okay. His son.
Who's with your son?
Dad.
Okay, so he's fine right now.
I just want to make sure he's okay.
He's fine right now, okay? All right, so I got to do these
I
tests.
don't want to go. I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
We understand that, but can you just try to listen
Can I
to this?
call him,
I'm
please?
just going to
Can
do
I call
HCN
him,
because
please?
she can't do the other ones.
Can I please call him, please? Can I call him while we're testing?
No, not while we're testing. Okay,
I just want to call him. I don't know. I don't have anyone. You guys have each other. I don't have anyone.
We're not doing anything to you. Your car is on the curb, and you just admitted to us that you were drinking and driving. So we have to try to perform some tests on you.
Yeah, I have to make sure you're okay.
To see if you're okay, 1 and 2.
I'm not okay. I'm telling you. I need my son's dad.
Okay.
Well, call him and tell him to come down here. We'll give you an address, okay?
Okay, so can we try to perform these tests? Okay, so just listen to this officer, okay? And just listen to it.
All right, listen. This is a simple test I'm gonna perform on you, okay? Go. So now, ma'am, I just need you to just take a breath, okay?
I can't breathe. I need someone.
Ma'am.
I need someone.
Ma'am,
All right, man.
listen. Just take a breath. Take a deep breath.
Okay, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Okay.
Ma'am, the sooner we do this, the sooner we can get this moving, okay? So just take a deep breath. Relax. Relax.
There you go.
All
Take a
right.
deep breath. It's nice and cool outside.
All right. Okay. We're calm now, right? All right. So here's what I want you to do. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to look at the tip of this pen. Okay, I want you to follow it with your eyes only. Don't move your head. Okay, just your eyes. Okay, ready? All right, now what I want you to do is I want you to dip your chin like this, and then keep looking at the pen. Keep looking at the pen. Hey, no. Look at the pen. Don't dip it all the way, just a little bit. Just dip your chin a little bit. Okay? And then just follow the pen. All right. So now just lift your head back up. Okay.
We will. I will get his number and I will call him, okay? Okay? Okay, you mind if I just get this stuff from you?
Listen, you're gonna go home. Okay, but just not right now, okay? All right.
Settle this. Right?
I guess. It's private property, so I mean.
Ma'am, can you just stand up, ma'am? Okay.
I just need my son to be okay.
He's gonna be okay.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Listen.
Okay.
All right. So now.
All right. Now, can you just put your hands behind your back?
Yes, you can. It's gonna be okay.
It's okay.
It's gonna be okay.
Oh my God.
him.
Please call my son back.
We will. Man, we'll call when we get to the police station, okay?
You got her phone and everything?
Yeah, it's okay.
All right, man. So yeah, right now you're being placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated, okay?
Oh my god! Please call my son back.
We will when we get to that police station.
Oh my god!
This video shows how quickly a fun night can spiral when judgment slips. Small decisions can create big consequences in minutes, especially behind the wheel. Knowing when to stop and ask for help can change everything.
Get the seatbelt.
Oh my god!